Hello my dear students, I hope you complete all exercises which are given in lesson number 1. Today we are going to start lesson number 2, that is addition and subtraction. Take out notebooks. Today we are going to see the properties of addition. As you know that up to 3rd standard you know how to solve addition, right? Up to 3 digit, 4 digit. Now this year little bit more digits added, up to 6 digit, 7 digit are there. So let's see, same are there, nothing change, right? Let's see. First we will see addition without regrouping. First we will see addition without regrouping. Without regrouping. See, let's take one example. 3521 plus 1234. How we are adding? Same. Ones place down. This is ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place. 4 plus 1 5, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 1 4. What is the sum? These are the addends, and the result will be, or the answer will be, we call it as a sum. Sum is 4755. This is called without regrouping. Means there is no carry, query, kairi, amba. Understand? Okay. That's called without regrouping. Right. And with, understand? Now with regrouping. Now what is with regrouping? Same example we will take. So 4987. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, here once carry, 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 5, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 4, 8. This is called with regrouping. Understand? It's very easy. Nothing to worry. Understand? Okay. So let's move towards the properties. It's very important. If you know the properties, it will be easy for you to solve speedily, fastly. Understand? Let's see. Properties of addition. First property, order property. What is meant by order property? Property of order, or we can say that order property. In order property, the sum of two numbers remains same even if we change the order. Let's see example, means you will understand. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Suppose 23,420 plus 4,530. This is ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place. What is the sum of this? You can write vertically and solve. 0 0 0. See, I will write here 0, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9, 4 plus 3 7, 2. This is the sum, 27,950. The sum of two numbers are remained same. When now what I will do, I will change their orders. This is 23,420 first I wrote, and this is second term. I will change. I will write here this one first, 4,530, and this one I will write second, 23,420. Now add these two. See the number, 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 3, 5, 4 plus 5, 9, comma, 3 plus 4, 7, and 2. See the sum, see the answer. Can answer change? No. Both are same. This is called a order property of addition. Means if the sum of two numbers remains the same, even if we change their order. पहला वाला हम लास्ट में लिखेंगे और लास्ट वाला पहला लिखेंगे, फिर भी मीन्स ऑर्डर भी चेंज द ऑर्डर, चेंज किया पोजीशन. ये यहाँ था, यहाँ लिया सेकंड पे, ये सेकंड था फर्स्ट लिया. देन देयर विल बी नो इफेक्ट ऑन देयर सम, मीन्स सम रिमेन्स सेम. इसको इसकी जगह इट मीन्स 5 प्लस इन शॉर्ट 4 इज इक्वल टू 9 and 4 plus 5 is equal to also 9. Are the sum same? Yes. Understand? Means if we change the order of the numbers, first become second and second become first, then there will be no effect on addition. Understand? Or the sum, their answer. This is the first property, order property of addition. Let's see second property. Grouping property. What is mean by grouping property? So when we are adding 3 or more than 3 terms or 3 numbers, and if we group then also if we change the group, then also the sum remains same. Let's take example. In short I will tell you, means you will understand. 10 plus 6 plus 4. These are the 3 numbers, 3 terms. Understand? 3 numbers are there. 10 number 1, number 2, 6 are there, number 3. If we group it, suppose I group like this first and I will solve. 10, how we are solving? First bracket, 6 plus 4, 10. Now solve. 10 plus 10, 20. So what is the answer? 20. Means 6 plus 4 first 10 and 10 plus 10, 20. The answer is 20. If we same numbers, 10 plus 6 plus 4, if we will group here like this, then also see 10 plus 6, 16. What is remain? Plus 4, 16 plus 4, 20. Is the answer same? This is the grouping property. Understand? If if you are adding 3 or more than 3 numbers, if we can be grouped together, then the sum remains the same. Understand? If we group this one first, this one last, like this, then also there is no change in the answer or sum. This is called a grouping property of addition. Understand? And may more than 2, more than 3, more than 4 numbers will come, right? That time this property will help you. Understand? Third property, property of 0. It's very easy. When we add 0 to a number, the sum is always the number itself. It's very simple. Property of 0. For example, means you will understand more. 4530 plus 0. What will be the answer? Yes, 0, 0, 0, 3 as it is, 5 as it is, 4 as it is. Is the answer number sum is same? Means if we add 0 to a number, the sum is the number itself. This is the property of 0. Understand the properties? It is very easy. 3 properties are very important. It will help you. One exercise 2.2 is depend on the property, right? It will be easy for you to solve this one, right? Now how to adding 10, 100 and 1000 to a number. See, for example, when we add 10 to a number, suppose let's take example 43,672 plus 10. If we add 10 to a number, 10 means tens place. So in number, this is ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. If we add 10 to a number, then the tens place number, which is the tens place number here, 7. This number will increase by 1. 10 ka 1, 7 plus 1, 8. Means, see, the number will be 43,682. 43,682. See the tens place number here, 7. Tens place, if you are adding 10 to a number, then the tens place number will increase by 1 number. 7 become 7 plus 1, 8. Understand? Okay. This is adding tens. 10 to the number. Now adding 100 to a number. 100 to a number. Yes, right. When we are adding 100 to a number, the 100 place number, which is the 100 place number here, 6. So 6 will increase by 1 number. 6 plus 1, 7. Means the answer will be 43,000. Instead of 6, 772. 772. 2 means 100. If you are adding 100 to a number, the 100 place number will increase by 1. If you are adding 1000 to a number, then 1000 place number will increase by 1 number. You can add 1 to the 1000 place. It's very easy. I hope you understand. Next video we will see. You should go through the properties, write down in your notebooks, right? Next video we will solve exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Okay, thank you.